Hello friends, in this video we'll try to learn a new method of understanding numbers and then using that new way of understanding to do additions, subtractions, multiplications or divisions. So what is this new method? This new method is called splitting numbers. So splitting numbers is you see the number as a split. So if we have a number like 43, so you don't look this number as 4 and 3, but you see this number or you look at this number as 43, 40 and 3. Or when you speak out or when you think 43, give a small pause after the 40. This pause will actually help you in understanding the numbers and doing operations. So 43, give a small pause. 43, or if we have a number like 3, 9, 39, so 39, give a pause. This will help. Or 63, pause is there. Or 122, 122, or 345. So look at this number as 345. Try to develop this and practice this, and this will help you in doing operations in a better way. I am not saying this is the best way of doing addition or subtractions, but looking at the sums, you have to find out which is the best method of doing this particular operation. And splitting numbers can actually help you in doing those sums quickly when those sums are actually a part of a different bigger problem. So instead of wasting time in doing subtractions, divisions, multiplications or additions, you focus on the main problem. So we'll see how we use this splitting numbers technology of doing operations. So we see 45 and 32 we have to add. So we look at these numbers in a different way now. 45 and plus 32. 45, 32. We have to add 45, 32, 40, 30 is 70, and 5 and 2 is 7. So 77. You can do it in your mind. If you are able to split, take a pause and then speak out the number. 29, 43. 20, 40 is 60. 9 and 3 is 12. 60 plus 12 is 72. Isn't it a simple way of doing it? But look at the number and then decide which method we want to adopt. Now we have a large number like this, 4-digit numbers. So when we have to add, this actually looks a bit tough. But we'll try to split it in the center. So we split it like this. Now see, it is 45, 38 we have to add and 23, 67 we have to add. So it will become simple. 45, 38, 40 and 30 is 70, 5 and 8 is 13, 70 and 13 is 83. Other part, 23, 67, 20, 60 is 80 and 7 and 3 is 11. So this is 80 and 11, 7 and 3 is 10. So 20 and 60 is 80 plus 10, 90. So this is 9083. So we will take a 3-digit example now. 481 plus 363. So now we have to look at this number and see which is the better way of doing it. So for example, if we split this here, Okay, so this is 8163. 80 plus 60 is 140, and 140 plus 4 is 144. So we have to write down 144. So we write down 44 here, and we can write down the 1 here. And then we add 4 and 3, 7, plus this 1 is 8. Now there is a carry involved in this. So we can do this method, or we can try to avoid this carry. We can split it here, and we can make it simple. So you have to make the look at the problem and make it simple and use the splitting number method. So we split this numbers here. 3 plus 1, 4, easy. 40, 48 and 30, 6, 40 and 30 is 70, and 8 and 6 is 14, 70 plus 14 is 84. So looking at the problem, you have to decide where you can split those numbers and make the problem easy. So we'll do a few more examples. 767 plus 616. Now look at this number and see which side, how to split this. These numbers will make it easy. So we will split it here. This is an easier way of doing it. So 67 and 16, 67 and 16, 70 and 13 is 83. Sum of these two-digit numbers is also a two-digit number, so it is easy. There is no carry involved. That's why we have split it here. And 7 plus 6 is 13. So we write down the 13 as it is. So our answer is 138. We'll take up one more example, 383 and 384. Now, if we try to split it here, this will be 83 and 84, and it will be a 3-digit number, and there will be a carry involved. So instead of that, we'll split it here. Split it here. 3 plus 4 is 7, and now we have 38 plus 38 is 60, and 19, which is 79. 76, sorry, 38 plus 38 is 60 plus 16, which is 76. So the answer is 767. I'm sorry, this is how you have to split it. Few more examples. 4554 plus 3636. So simple. I think we should split it here and then divide it. 54, 36, which is 90. 45 and 36 is 70, and 11 is 81. So our answer is 8190. We can do it mentally, but look at the number properly and then decide. One more example, 5234 and 9393. So if we try to split it in the center, this is 93 and 30, so 120 is there, so there is a carry involved. So how to split it? So what we do is we split it here. We try to split it here like this, and then do 4 plus 3 is 7, 23 and 39 is 50, plus 12 is 62, and 9 plus 5 is 14. So splitting it this way is making this problem easier. So our answer is 14627. So friends, use this method or use this technology of splitting these numbers, and then try to do as many sums as you can as per your time and as per your capability. But this is a nice way of doing it, and look at the numbers in a different way, and then use different type of methods to do additions or subtractions or multiplications and divisions. We'll see more such methods in the upcoming videos.